everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm keeping it short and sweet with all about me video. Today, we are doing a quick deep dive into me about my story, what I love doing, and what you can expect here. Bye!
Hi there, my name is Princess Anzara. You can call me Ann or Zara, but not Princess. I'm excited to be finally sharing a piece of my world with all of you. I just celebrated my 17th birthday this past May 1st, and I'm resident of Cakamilina Norte, Camiling Tarlac. For me, life is all about embracing the journey and finding the good in every day. I truly believe in the saying YOLO, you only live once, and I live by it. My goal is to spread as much positive energy as I can and hopefully make your day just a little bit brighter. So, stick around and let's make every moment count. First, let's talk about my favorite and likes. My favorite color is red. If you guys are curious why red, it is because of my K-pop idol Chaeyoung. Back 2020, I'm a really fan of a girl group Twice, and my bias is Chaeyoung. She loves color red. My current favorite song is Ako Naman Muna by Angela Ken. It perfectly captures that feeling of being the one everyone leans on, always there to listen, but secretly also dealing with own struggles. The song is a powerful reminder that it's okay to finally put yourself first and start your own towards healing and self-love. If you ask me if I love OPM, yes, I do love OPM a lot. My favorite movie is Love You to the Stars and Back, and also my comfort movie. Moving on to the things that I like. I love sunset. I also love capturing memories with my friends and my loved one, or just documenting life as we know it. I've always aspired to be a chef ever since I was a kid, and I haven't stopped that dream. I still whisper this hope to the wind, a silent plea for a dream I can't hold. Though I know its story is destined to end, my heart clings to the tale left untold. Life has been tough to all of us. Why not dramatize life every day? In the end, it's your story anyway. We tend to ignore over the little things and fast forward life to these grand moments, but not me. While others race toward grand moments, I linger in the quiet, small details. So yeah, that's a bit about me, Zara.